In this video, we'll show you how to print a nozzle check pattern to check print quality. If you notice that colors are uneven or printing is faint, try the following printhead cleaning steps. Printhead cleaning unclogs the nozzles and improves uneven colors and faint printing. Printhead cleaning is performed in two steps. First, printing the nozzle check pattern. Second, performing a cleaning depending on the condition of the pattern. Let's get started. Load one or more sheets of A4 or letter-size plain paper. The paper information registration screen will appear. Follow the instructions to complete the registration. Lift up the operation panel. Slide out the paper output tray and paper output extension. Now, let's print the nozzle check pattern. Tap Setup. Tap Maintenance. Tap Print Nozzle Check Pattern. Tap Yes. The nozzle check pattern will be printed. Review the printed nozzle check pattern for incomplete patterns, white horizontal streaks, or faint printing. If the nozzle check pattern printed correctly, cleaning is not required. If the nozzle check pattern did not print correctly, cleaning is required. Here's how to perform a printhead cleaning. Tap Also B. Tap Yes. The printhead cleaning will start. The process takes about 1 minute. Once the cleaning is finished, check for improvement. Tap Yes to print the nozzle check pattern again. Refer to the printed nozzle check pattern. If the nozzle check pattern printed clearly, cleaning is not required. If the nozzle check pattern did not print correctly, repeat the printhead cleaning process. If the nozzle check pattern has not improved after 2 cleanings, perform a deep cleaning. The printhead cleaning operation is now complete. Check that the print result has improved. Thank you for watching.